Alison of 600 Square Feet and a Baby, and I'm here at home with IKEA to show you a bit more about our bedroom that our kids share. It's a smaller room and they use it as their bedroom and their playroom, and I wanted to show you some of the ways that we organize their things so that we have a calm but still playful space for them. So thanks for being here.
We have this narrow shelving unit in this corner to display some of the kids' prettier toys and recent art projects, and you can see there's a stool tucked underneath to act as a bit of a desk play area. My favorite bookshelves, these bliss at for accessibility and also treating the kids' books like art. And while it's great to have toys and books on display, I think it's equally important to have some concealed storage. So here are some underbed bins. We use the Kugis ones. I'm using it for art storage here with some pouches and bins that we already had to organize what's inside. And the other bins contain toys that maybe aren't as beautiful. And here's some more art storage for felts and paints and crayons and everything, so the kids can put them away, and we can also easily move it around the house for whatever art projects they're working on.
So that's the room tour. There's obviously we're using the ceilings and walls as much as possible, and making sure that there's a place for everything, and that the kids can put it away themselves. I'm not saying they will, but they know how. And yeah, just making sure that there's boxes, baskets, shelves, and definitely narrow shelves. That's the best thing that we found with IKEA, is that they have the narrowest shelves so that we're able to still display things without taking up a larger footprint that we can really offer. So yeah, this is our shared kids room, and thanks for having us.